Hey guys, it's Kim, Angel Dream Crafts, and I'm here with another pocket challenge. And also, this is a swap that I did with Olivia Hernandez. And this would be entry number 29 for the pocket challenge, because I'm pretty sure her pockets are in here too. And like I said, this is also a swap that I did with Olivia a while ago, and we swapped embellishments. So we had to make each other some embellishments. So that's what is also in this box. So let me just open it up. And Olivia, thank you for this beautiful tissue paper. She always has the best tissue paper. Look at the clocks. I love it. Thank you, Olivia. You know I'm going to reuse that on something fun. I love it. Thank you so much, dear Olivia. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm not sure. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, I don't know where to look. Is there a card? Oh, Olivia, you're so naughty. Okay, this is her challenge ones. That's her challenge. Okay. These are her challenge. There's the card. Forgot to put it in the box. It's a card for a swap. Oh, okay. Yeah, so I think the rest of this is swap stuff. So let me, some of this is probably for the challenge too, but let me do the challenge first, and then we'll get to the swap. So here's the card. There's the card from dear Olivia. Thank you, Olivia. And she's used this pretty washi tape on the back, so we'll try and reuse that. Oh, look at this card. Oh my goodness, you find the best things. Look at that. I want to frame that. Oh, I love that. Toilet soaps, perfumery. I want to frame that. That would be nice in a powder room. Loving greetings. Hello, Kim. I really love how my lace purse journal came out. Yeah, this is coming from my heart. Oh, I love looking at anything with Queen Victoria. I think she would have loved it. Yes, she would have. Aw. You're so sweet. Yes, we had also done a Queen Victoria swap, Olivia and I. I'm sure you guys saw on my channel the beautiful Victorian purse that she did for me. And I also did a lace book for her and a wall hanging for her as well in Queen Victoria. And she's got those videos up on her channel. So that was a separate swap. And then we did the embellishment swap, and then she's entering my challenge. So that's what all of this fun stuff is that's going on here. So you can see what I did on her channel, and you can go back a few videos on mine and see the amazing purse journal that she made for me, which is in pride of place in my craft room. I just love it. And these are her pockets, and Olivia did do a VR for me, so thank you so much for that, Olivia. And I love how you did these paper ones. She used vintage book paper, and then she had got this, I think it was a copper tattered angel spray that she used. And then she used these beautiful angel stamps here, because we both love angels. And she's used some gorgeous appliques here that she's cut, and a doily. And then she's got this beautiful lace trim up here. And then she's tied the pocket closed with some tea-dyed seam binding, and then you just open the pocket this way, and then you can access the pocket that way. These are beautiful, Olivia. Look at the back. Oh, absolutely beautiful. I love that image. I might scan that image. Even with the sprays on it, I think it's still gorgeous. I love it. Oh, it's so pretty. Thank you, Olivia. And here's the second paper one that she did. And it was the same way that she did the first one. It's vintage book paper with the tattered angel spray. And then this one, she's used, I'm thinking she tea-dyed this applique here, and she made a little rolled flower with a bling. And then beaded applique here, and another tea-dyed piece across the top with a tiny little doodad flower. And again, you just pull the seam binding and that opens up the pocket. And there's the back. Look at that. These images on here are amazing. Oh, I love these, Olivia. They're gorgeous. And then this is her fabric pockets. And she's put them in this lovely paper bag. Oh my gosh. And again, I did see her video, but of course, when you get them in your hand, look at this beautiful pink toile she's used. It's like a very dusty pink background with burgundy, with the images are printed in like a burgundy color. Oh, it's just beautiful. And then she's used this beautiful lace going around there. And then on the front, she's done this lovely little image here in the corner and this tiny little trim here. And it's got the tiniest little pink bling pieces you'll ever see. Look how small those are. And then a leaf dangle here, more of that trim going up the side and more bling. And then she's used Velcro as a closure, and then she's put another image in the top part of the flap there. How beautiful. Love these images. And then some doodad flowers here and an applique. I love all the layering you did. Absolutely gorgeous. And more of that little daisy trim along the top. I love this toile. That's gorgeous. I love that. That is beautiful fabric. Thank you so much, Olivia. Absolutely stunning. And look at this one. Look how beautiful. This one's in a vintage, and she's used a floral fabric by the looks of it. And then she's covered it up with all kinds of vintage laces here. I'm sure some of these are very old. Some she's tea-dyed. But I'm sure some of these are antique laces. And then she's added a beautiful applique at the top here, another gorgeous image, a rosette, some flat back pearl trim, some little daisies in pink, some of that little flower trim, and another tea-dyed flower here. It's absolutely gorgeous. And she's Velcroed that again, and look at the inside. The two vintage ladies there. Love that. Love that image. And I think she said that this was from one of the cabinet cards that she collects. So that could be, I'm pretty sure that's what she said in the video. You'll have to correct me if I'm wrong, Olivia. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh my gosh, these are stunning, Olivia. Absolutely gorgeous. So thank you so much, my friend, for entering my challenge. That was so sweet and kind of you to do that. So there's the pockets. So I think what I'm going to do, sorry, excuse me, I'm going to upload this video and then I'm going to come back and do the swap in a separate video. So thank you for entering my challenge, Olivia, and you will find the link to Olivia's channel in the description box below. So thanks, guys, and thank you, Olivia, and I'll be back shortly with another video. Bye-bye.